Hey guys, so thought I'd start a new segment. I'm calling it 2 Minute Tuesday, as you can tell by the title. It's just to try and help you guys out with tips and tricks when you come to building your own systems, to get the best results really. So hopefully every Tuesday I'll be uploading a new video on certain little bits that will help you with your builds. So I thought I'd show you a little trick when it comes to bracing your box. The timbers, I use 3x2 timbers in my boxes as bracing, just because they're strong and it works really well. I haven't ever had an issue with it. So but when you're screwing in your brace, first of all obviously glue around your brace, but when you're screwing it in, if you look here on this box that I'm building at the moment for a customer, you can see with these screws, I will stagger them across the timber, so that if your timber's got any bow in it, like that, it will pull down this side as well as this side, which means your glue will have more surface area for your glue to adhere to your panels. The other trick with this is basically your grain is a series of lines through your timber. If you have all your screws in the same plane, you risk splitting your timber. So if you have them staggered like this, then it's less likely that they will break between those two screw holes. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that little tip. Hope it helps you with your build. Tune in next Tuesday for the next 2 Minute Tuesday. Have a good day, guys.